Git error. Merge conflict. What is a merge conflict? A merge conflict happens when Git cannot automatically combine changes from two branches because the same part of a file was modified in different ways. It means two branches changed the same lines. Git doesn't know which change to keep. Manual decision is required. Merge is paused until fixed. Why it matters? Code cannot be merged. Builds may fail. Work is blocked. Wrong fix can break features. So merge conflict equals competing changes plus same file plus manual resolution needed. Why merge conflicts happen? Merge conflicts usually happen when two developers edit the same file. Same lines are changed differently. Long-running branches drift apart. Large features touch shared code. Auto-merge is impossible. Without fixing, cross-mark merge fails. Cross-mark code cannot be pushed. Cross-mark pull requests are blocked. Cross-mark confusion increases. Cross-mark deadlines slip. With proper fix, check mark code merges safely. Check mark all changes preserved. Check mark history stays clean. Check mark teamwork continues. Check mark fewer bugs. Typical situations where merge conflicts appear. Common scenarios. Two people edit same function. One edits while other refactors. Same config file updated twice. Rebasing a long feature branch. Pulling after many remote updates. Example. Branch A means changes line 10. Branch B means changes line 10. Why? Git sees different content. Cannot choose automatically. Needs human decision. How Git shows a merge conflict. Git marks the file like this. Less than head. Your change. Other change. Branch name. Why? Shows both versions. You must choose or combine. File must be cleaned. Basic troubleshooting steps. First checks. Run Git status. Open conflicted files. Look for conflict markers. Understand both changes. Why? Shows what failed. Shows which files conflict. Prevents blind edits. Fix 1. Resolve conflict manually. Steps. Open conflicted file. Decide which code to keep. Remove conflict markers. Save file. Run Git add file. Run Git commit. Why? Safest method. Full control. Keeps correct logic. Bad practice. Cross-mark delete random lines. Cross-mark keep both blindly. Good practice. Check mark understand both changes. Check mark test after fixing. Check mark commit clearly. Fix 2. Use a merge tool. Steps. Run Git merge tool. Select correct version. Save and exit. Commit changes. Why? Visual comparison. Less human error. Faster resolution. Tools. VS Code. Meld. KDiff3. IntelliJ. Beyond compare. Fix 3. Abort the merge. If unshow. Run Git merge. Abort. Why? Restores previous state. Avoids broken code. Lets you try again. Bad practice. Cross-mark force commit conflict markers. Good practice. Check mark abort if confused. Check mark retry merge carefully. Fix 4. Rebase conflict resolution. During rebase. Fix conflicted file. Run Git add. Run Git rebase. Continue. Why? Keeps history linear. Requires same conflict fix. More precise. Daily workflow to avoid merge conflicts. Safe workflow. Pull often. Use small feature branches. Merge frequently. Communicate with team. Avoid long-running branches. Why? Less overlap. Smaller diffs. Fewer conflicts. Common mistakes that cause merge conflicts. Editing same files. Working on old branches. Big PRs. No communication. Refactoring shared code alone. Why? Code diverges. Git cannot auto-merge. Conflicts appear. Naming and branch conventions. Good structure. Main. Develop. Feature. Login. Feature. Payment. Hotfix. Typo. Why? Isolated work. Controlled merging. Clear ownership. How merge conflicts affect teams. When they happen. PRs get blocked. Deployments delay. Developers panic. Errors increase. With good handling. Check mark faster resolution. Check mark stable codebase. Check mark predictable releases. Check mark better collaboration. Real life analogy. Merge conflict is like two people editing the same document paragraph. Without talking, changes clash. With discussion, final version is correct. Branch A equals your edits. Branch B equals teammate edits. Merge equals combining document. In simple words, merge conflict means two changes touched same code. Git cannot choose. You must decide. Fix equals open file, pick correct code, remove markers, commit. Best practices to avoid merge conflicts. Use check mark small commits, check mark frequent pulls, check mark feature branches, check mark code reviews, check mark short-lived branches. Avoid cross mark huge PRs, cross mark long-running branches, cross mark editing same file silently, cross mark blind merging. A merge conflict means Git found competing changes and needs your help. A good Git workflow. Check mark merges often. Check mark resolves carefully. Check mark protects features. Check mark preserves history. Check mark keeps teams productive.